Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Yamaha Rivage PM5 sound mixing board and you need to do a hard reset on it to the factory default settings. There's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first reason is for troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this board not working correctly, bugging, freezing, not responding, not making the right sounds, making phantom sounds, any stuff like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set this up again because it's going to restore everything to its factory defaults. But if you want to do that, we can go ahead and do it, which is the second reason you might want to do this, is if you just want to get a fresh start on this. So what we're going to do is right on the touch screen, we're just going to touch for the settings menu. And from settings, we're going to then choose the maintenance option. And then from the maintenance option, we can select the initialization. And then from the initialization, we can actually check the different things that we want to initialize. We can check them all if we want to do a full reset. And then select initialize this device. You'll have to hit OK to confirm it, and it will be reset to its factory default settings.